everyone, Hi everyone, Penguin Craft 321 is here, and my sisters are talking random. Could you please stop? So good. Okay, so we're gonna be. This is my first gaming video. We're gonna be playing Subway Surfers, and go into it. So put it like that.
But you know what I say when I say subscribe? I say smash that like button.
Yeah,
smash. Yeah, smash that like button.
Okay, first let me. So this is my sister's tablet, guys. This is my sister's tablet. My sister will be so mad at me if I use it. So we're playing. That's it. That's it. That's it. Shut up. Okay. Let me just put it. Camera here.
Look.
Could someone hold this for me? I'm little playing this game. Look, on the hold this camera and picture that. So guys, I'm here. Stop it, you're putting your finger. So I'm here, guys. So this is my sister's tablet. It looks like mine. It looks pretty weird. So we're waiting until the game downloads. Loads. Up. So is it there? Yes, it's there. Okay.
I'm so boring. I'm so boring. Did you show your body?
Nope.
Here he is.
No! Don't stop talking!
Can I just say I'm so boring?
No! Guys, stop it. My sister's so mean. Her name is Pop Shop. Don't even subscribe to her anymore. That's it. I'm just lying. Subscribe to her. Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this little dude run. Look at this little boy
Who
run.
is this?
I don't know. Stop! You're getting in the way. I just died because of you. Stop. So this is my first video. Fresh moves. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, spin, yeah. What the hell?
Touch up.
La. I already double tapped, guys. I accidentally did that. Wave.
Ow.
I already know what this is, guys. So just great job for me. I just don't you dare touch me. Okay. So guys, this is gonna be a short video. If you like, guys, so guys, smash that like button on the ground. Smoosh that like button on the ground. Subscribe.
Happy Catter.
I'm so sorry. So smash the like button with your face so hard as the whole planet. And that didn't make any sense.
And you are a copycatter.
Hard as bricks. So smash your face on the like button. Hard as this house.
And
also,
we will wait.
And also, guys, subscribe, join the Penguin member groups, become a Penguin group, and make sure.
Not taco. Ow.
Make sure, guys, you don't Make sure.
Ow. That hurts. You itch your butt.
Stop it. This is a YouTube video. Okay, my sister's going so mad. Okay, let's do this.
I'm so not good.
Okay, so yeah, oh my god, that almost killed me. Could they actually see it?
Ew, poo in my hand.
The camera's kind of dark.
Hush, have some poo in my hand.
I'm just wasting my sister's hoverboard and she doesn't even care. YOLO, I'm wasting your hoverboards. You have to be mad at me.
I have poo in my hand and I itch my butt. Actually, my cousin's sister itches her butt, and also she never flushes the toilet. Right, guys?
Okay, that you could tell that information in your YouTube videos. I'm playing with my left hand, it's so hard.
Glasses, grossos,
Okay, so let me just give me the thing.
grossa,
Okay.
gracias. Poo-poo, papa, poo-poo,
Kiss.
papa.
Good. Where's my finger?
My 7-year-old cousin sister, she watches Peppa Pig and Dora.
Fresh moves. Okay.
I am not lying. She watches Peppa Pig and Dora.
Guys,
Smash my like button.
peace out.
Such as poo-poo putts.
Is this even closing? What did I?
Such as. P.S.
Guys, I'm so sorry what happened here. Wait.